Alright, it's time for me to hook me up a little bit of gravy. And then it will be dinner time. Yes, it's about to go down right now. Something very simple. Alright, some fried chicken. Of course, with a touch of yellow. And some string bean. And a little bit of rice. Alright, and then I'm gonna make some gravy out of these, green pepper, onion, and tomato. And right here, I have me a little bit of flour mixture that I will going to dip the chicken into just before I put them into the pot. All right, let me fire up the stove. Add some water to the rice. All right, that's good enough. All right, the rice is on. Right, now let me add some water to the string bean. That's it. Put some of this vegetable oil in here. Alright, it should be good enough. Just a little bit of salt in the rice. It's good. Also a little bit in the string bean. Alright, now it's time to get back to this chicken. Alright, so I'm going to dip them in the flour. One more piece. Get some of the flour off my hand. Alright. As everything is going well, let me bring the heat up a little bit more. Alright. Alright, so I'll check back with you. So once again, something simple. That's my yellow fried chicken. A bit of rice going on over here. And string bean. Very, very simple. A little butter over here on standby. Waiting to be called. And of course, I have some cut up vegetable. Time to turn these over. To do it away. Alright. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Yes, folks, my yellow fried chicken. And a little bit of rice. And some string bean. Alright. Alright, so this is it. You're getting there. Yep, yellow fried chicken. And of course, we have some rice here. Just turn off the stove, and some string bean. So this is the vibes today. Yep. That's what's going on in Uncle Howie's kitchen. Alright, so these chicken are almost done. Get them done just a little bit more. And then I'm gonna hook me up a little bit of gravy. And then it'll be dinner time. Cherry's dinner. So this is it. Just finished cooking. Alright. Nice fried chicken with a little bit of yellow. Yeah, from string bean, and then some rice over here. All done. Yep.